Let's go there. Come on. In here, guys.
Welcome to Blue Shield. Today, we're covering an incident that began as what appeared to be a routine shoplifting investigation, but quickly escalated into a case involving far more serious criminal charges. The two suspects, a 21-year-old man and his friend, were initially investigated for alleged theft. However, as officers continued their investigation, the situation took an unexpected turn.
Let's go there. Come on. This way, guys. In here, guys.
How do we have to go in?
Come on. Because that's the way it is. Have a seat. You got anything on you I need to know about? Why's your hand in your pockets?
It's my phone.
I'm gonna pat you down real quick, alright?
That's cool.
Nothing on you was gonna poke me, stab me?
No. Cordelia was just yeah. I just gave them Cordelia.
Okay, go ahead and have a seat. Nothing on you that I need to know about?
I do have this this shit I stole. This bag and shit.
What's in there?
They only pay for the card. Yeah.
Go ahead and see for me. Anything else in there I should know about, my man?
That's the other one.
Yeah, come on. What's your social, man?
Man, me?
Yeah.
301-08-5337.
Thank you. What's your name?
What's up?
What's your name?
Xavier.
Xavier what?
What do I think about last?
Because, my man, if you don't cooperate, I'm going to put you in handcuffs.
Xavier Rose. I'll give you my real social.
I figured that was not right.
301.
Well, thank you for that.
Are we going to jail?
Now, unless something crazy happens. One, three, four.
Names and date of birth, please.
5550.
Hey! No! No, shit, please! No! Shane, please stop!
When no one was looking, he pulled out a handgun and allegedly attempted to shoot one of the officers. Fortunately, the firearm did not discharge. Within seconds, officers and store employees rushed in and overpowered him, taking him into custody. Investigators say the suspect was legally prohibited from possessing a firearm. He now faces a series of felony charges, including attempted murder, felonious assault on a peace officer, robbery, aggravated possession of drugs, and having weapons under disability. Police also arrested 23-year-old Katerina D. Jeffrey, who investigators identified as the alleged accomplice. During a pat-down, officers say they recovered 2 rounds of 9mm ammunition and 2 cell phones from her pocket. She has been charged with complicity to commit robbery, having weapons under disability, along with pending theft-related charges. Thanks for watching. Join us next time for another documented police body cam case.